2 healthy recipes. Quinoa salad with black beans and mango. Cook 1 cup of quinoa according to package instructions. In a separate pan, sauté 1 diced red bell pepper and 1 diced red onion in a small amount of olive oil. Once the quinoa is cooked, add the sautéed vegetables, 1 can of rinsed and drained black beans, and 1 diced mango to the quinoa. In a small bowl, mix together the juice of 1 lime, 1 minced garlic clove, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and salt and pepper to taste. Pour the dressing over the quinoa mixture and toss to combine. Serve and enjoy. Baked salmon with asparagus and lemon. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Place 1 pound of asparagus on one side of the baking sheet and 1 pound of salmon on the other side. Drizzle the asparagus and salmon with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon over the salmon. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through and the asparagus is tender. Serve and enjoy.